Alright, this is what I got myself into. This thing slid down behind that tree and it was dying out, so he couldn't lift it with the backhoe and get it from hitting that tree. So now we got to get the thing running so that we can at least get that up and out of the way, and then maybe I'll have a tow truck come get this thing because it's going to be heavy. But we're gonna see if we can't get it to run.